My name is Darryl Lynch. I am from Essex, which is just outside London, England. I arrived here Thursday and got the procedure done yesterday. Very happy with everything. Got picked up from the airport by a taxi and a translator who told me everything there is to know about your Hair of Istanbul. Slept the night in the hotel, woke up, got taken to the clinic yesterday, which was amazing. Got treated like a king, exceeded my expectations actually. And the procedure took 6.5 hours. It was painless apart from the numbing, which wasn't too bad. We had a half an hour break, we had some dinner, and then we went straight back at it for another 3 hours. Again, painless, no problem. And then after that, we had a private taxi back to the hotel. I started losing my hair about 6 years ago, and I've been doing some research for the last 5 years of whereabouts to get it done. I've done Harley Street, Greece, I've done a lot of places, and Hair of Istanbul is definitely the one I wanted to go with. I had some bodybuilding competitions to do this year, so I couldn't do it at the start of the year. When I turned 40, that was always going to be my main objective. So when I turned 40, I was going to treat myself to a hair transplant. So I've got the bodybuilding competitions out of the way. So it's end of season now, so this was the perfect time just before Christmas for me to get it done. So I can have 2 to 3 weeks off of work, wait for it to heal, and then crack on, get back to work. I found you through Instagram, actually. Yeah, through Instagram. And also a friend of a friend did tell me about this place actually, but as looking onto your Instagram profile, that's what sold it to me. I don't think it's scary. I think most blokes are quite ashamed to admit that they want to get it done. If you're not happy with how your hair looks or if anything looks in your body, then just go for it. That's my opinion. And don't look back. It wasn't scary for me, no. If I was to say someone's getting a hair transplant, I'd say, get yourself on Instagram, have a look at Hair of Istanbul, speak to somebody through there, and then just get it done. No turning back. Painless.